In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful, dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sultan English Studio. Dear students, today our topic of discussion is very important topic about Jane Austen's novel Pride and Prejudice. In this lecture, we discuss about the 5 surprising facts and lessons about Pride and Prejudice. First one is, it is Jane Austen's personal most popular novel and most favorite work too. It is the favorite work of Jane Austen's said by her. Jane Austen said about this novel, Pride and Prejudice, that it is my own darling child. Second, she completed Pride and Prejudice at the age of 21. It is very amazing. Third, it is originally titled as First Impressions. First Impression. Later she changed its title Pride and Prejudice, inspired by the novel Cecilia by Frances Burney. The phrase is mentioned by 3 times Frances Burney's book in the final paragraph in capital letters. Fourth, Pride and Prejudice, published by the anonymously. The title page of this Pride and Prejudice said by the author of Sense and Sensibility. Last one, Pride and 5. Pride and Prejudice was adapted by more than 100 times. Most famous one is Bridget Jones's Diary, and second, Bollywood's work Pride and Prejudice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz.